Designing a high converting product page with Shopify store has never been this easy. You see, building a product page with Shopify store meaning buying an expensive theme and then dragging and dropping block by block and writing them section by section. But with this one connection and one skill plugin, you can build a high converting product page with just a click of a button like this. This skill I'm about to show you is going to double or even triple your conversion by just plug this into your Claude and ask Claude to build your product page. So just to recap, in yesterday's video, we have built our e-commerce operating system by having everything live inside a folder on our laptop. Everything about our store, every product we sell, our ideal customers, our brand asset, our typography, logos, our reference, our workflows, our SOPs, etc., etc. And then we even done a research about our product, about our avatar, what our product does, and even our competitors. So we have done our research and we have written our copy, but I haven't specified how we did that. As I said, we use these 4 tools for research. These 4 tools, Claude is going to use them to do a research, and I was using them when I do manual research. But right now, I just connect them to Claude and ask it, hey, go and do a research about this product. So Amazon and Reddit, we don't need to connect them since they are like a public source. So Claude is just going to query some info about our product. So reviews from Amazon and then threads from Reddit. What our customers are saying, and then it's going to go to Trend Track or Get Hooked. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect these tools, and then we are going to build a product page, a high converting product page, and then we are going to build advertorial page and creative for each one of them. So for product page, we are going to create creative like lifestyle image, close-up image, premium image for our product page. And then we are going to build advertorial page as well with reviews and then the benefit image. So first of all, we are going to connect Get Hook if you have like a subscription with Get Hook or Trend Track, and then Shopify Store, Higgsfield, Meta, MCP. So in today's video, we are going to use Shopify and Higgsfield with Claude. For Shopify to build our product page and advertorial page, and Higgsfield to create the creative. So let's get them set up. So first of all, come to Claude on your desktop app, and then come to Customize, and then Connectors. And then you will see all the tools we need to connect them. So this is Higgsfield. We are going to connect Higgsfield. Since I already connected my account, so this is the MCP URL. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to click disconnect just to show you how to connect them. So I'm going to remove this, remove it, and I'm going to add custom connector and then paste that URL I have copied earlier. So look at this exact URL and then name it something like Higgsfield. So if you have subscription with Higgsfield, this is going to pop up with you to authenticate your connection with Higgsfield. And now you can just sit in Claude and ask Claude to create your creative, your product page images, even your ad images. Not just images, even you could create UGC videos, C-downs, etc., etc. So this tab is open with us. Now we just need to click allow. And now Claude is going to be connected to Higgsfield. And now it is success. Now we could sit inside Claude and start creating. So let's connect the other tools as well. The other tool we need to connect is Shopify, and it's also connected. Just click disconnect and then just connect, and this tab will open you to authenticate your store. So pick the store you want to connect to Claude, and just like that, we also connect our Shopify store. Now Claude have access to our creative agency, which is Higgsfield, and have access to our back end of our Shopify store. It can look at our product page and it can look at everything. So now what else? So now also we have like Facebook or Meta to connect our ad account. You know the drill. Just copy this MCP server URL and then paste it again here. Add custom connector and you click connect, and there you go. You connect your Meta ad account as well. And then Klaviyo is the same. Notion is the same. If you want to write your copy in Notion like we did yesterday, also the same. And what else? If you don't like to write in Notion, it's fine. You could write on like Google Drive or maybe Google Doc. It's fine. It's all the same. You could also connect your Trend Track if you have subscription with them. And yeah, these are the tools we are going to use in our e-commerce operating system. So we have connected Shopify, we have connected Higgsfield, we have connected Meta, and we have connected Klaviyo. So these are the main tools we are going to use. And in today's video, I'm going to use these two tools, Higgsfield and Shopify, to create the product page and advertorial page. So since copy is the king, and 80% of your copy is determined by how good your research is. So that's why we have done that thorough research yesterday, and we even written our copy here. So to build a high converting product page, we need to handle objections. We need to talk straight to our avatar pain point to make them convert. So these are the research and these are the copy assets we are going to use in our product page with our offer architecture and with social proof reviews. All these we are going to use them in our product page. So here's the thing I'm going to talk about. We are not going to optimize our product page for aesthetic or prettiness. We are going to optimize it for conversion. Even if the product page look ugly, but if it still convert, hey, that is the goal. We want people to convert. We want people to pay us money. We don't want them to come to our product page and say, hey, this store look very pretty. We don't want that. We want them to pay money. We want them to buy our stuff. So these are the things we are going to include in our product page. Social proof. If other people buy this product, that means this is valuable. And then we have authority. If expert says, that means it is true. And then we have a specificity. We talk about our product benefit, not feature. Features, this product is light, is easy to carry. These are features. But the benefit, what this product does for our avatar, for our specific customer. So this product this product make your partner love you more. These are the benefit. And then we have risk reversal, like guarantee, thing like that. And then we have to enhance our product page with urgency and scarcity. So urgency is a function of time. We say something like this offer is only available for this period of time. And then we have a scarcity is a function of unit. So we say like something, this stock is only available at this certain amount of number. And then we have like a anchoring, and then we have to handle objection with FAQ section question. So these are the sections and block we should include in our product page. If your product page doesn't have this section, that means your product page is not optimized for conversion, it's optimized for prettiness. So the product page might look simple like this. Social proof, pricing, guarantee, and then bundle, benefit, and proof. And also there's another take here. I could use the same regular Shopify theme, but I could build a premium theme. How? Because Claude Code can now code any product page just by giving a screenshot of that product page and going to copy or duplicate that product page into your product page exactly. And in this video, I'm going to use a regular Shopify theme. So this is the product page I have here. As you can see, it's the same plain screenshot of the product. So we are going to add a lifestyle image here. We are going to add title, description, meta description for SEO, category, pricing, etc., etc. All of this will be done with AI. And if you look at our page right now, so this is our product page. It's look regular Shopify page. So this is the horizon theme, as you can see, and we are going to convert this into a high converting product page with Claude with just a single skill. So these are the skill I'm talking about. And if you haven't got your e-commerce operating system yet, which have all of these skills, come to my free school community, the link below. Come to AIOL, AI Operator Lab, e-commerce OS. Go inside e-commerce OS and you will see e-commerce OS. Download this zip file, and this is your e-commerce operating system inside which all these skills. So let's just stop yapping and start convert this product page into actually high converting product page. And then we are going to build an advertorial page to send traffic to. So as you can see, this is the product page, simple product page. We have conducted a research about it yesterday. This is the mushroom coffee. It's just a screenshot from this website called Subleful, and I want to sell this product. But this product page will not convert with these sections. So there's no social proof. There's no like guarantee here. Even we have like a free shipping, 30-day return, and there's no images. There's no before and after images. And we have reviews here, even fake reviews. We don't have like FAQ section, nothing. So we are going to convert this product page with this skill inside the e-commerce operating system with just a click of a button like this. Claude is going to use this research we have conducted here, and the avatar sheet, and the offer strategy, and the positioning, and it's going to look at our social proof, what other people are saying. These are the reviews we are going to use in our product page, and then it's going to use Higgsfield connectors to create a high converting product page. Just watch the magic happen in this product page in a second. So we are in the lab right now. So this is the Claude Code extension inside VS Code, and this is my Rabio OS. This is my Rabio e-commerce operating system, and this is the prompt ready. I'm just going to change the model to Fable 5. This is the strongest Claude model out there yet. It's even better than Opus 4.8. So I'm going to pick that model and I'm going to fire this prompt. So this prompt has two skills: build a product page, and it's going to use a Notion research we have saved there and copy. And it's going to create the creative as well. And it's going to build a product page and render a real Shopify. It's going to be built section by section. So I'm just going to fire this prompt and it's going to give me back the URL here. So this might take a little bit of time, maybe like 10 minutes or 20 minutes, I don't know yet. But as I said in the beginning of the video, we are going to build two pages. We are going to build a product page, and then we are going to build advertorial page to send our traffic in. So I'm going to give it another prompt to build me an advertorial page with creative as well. The creative for the advertorial page is going to be reviews, benefit, etc., etc. So here's another agent with another prompt or another task. I said build an advertorial page for this product. I gave it the same link for the Notion research, and I said advertorial page skill, this slash, and then advertorial page skill. This is a skill inside skill here. If you just scroll here, you might see this exact skill. It's going to build a product page and it's going to create creatives, and then it's going to give me the link back. So I'm going to hit fire as well again, and at this time I'm going to bypass permissions. I don't want the agent to ask me anything. Just go and use that skill and use that research to build the advertorial page. And the best thing about working inside VS Code is, as you can see, I'm opening two agents working at the same folder, at the same project. One of them built me a product page while the other is building an advertorial page. And yet I could open another agent, and yet I could open another agent. And not just like that. Look at this. I could open ChatGPT. This is Codex. I could open ChatGPT and ask it about something else to build me something else. Maybe I want to use ChatGPT for a research, or use ChatGPT for images, since ChatGPT could create images, but Claude Code on itself cannot create images unless you connect it to external tools like Higgsfield or Nano Banana. But ChatGPT in itself has something called ChatGPT image, right? We could create images with ChatGPT. So I don't want that to have. I don't want to create images for now. We are just going to use Higgsfield. So let's see how these agents are going to come back with. All right, the agent have officially done creating the pages. So first of all, it created the product page and the advertorial page as well. But I hit the session limit earlier, so I waited like 2 hours and came back and asked it again to carry on. And now we are 82% to hit our next session limit. This is just tell you how expensive is this model, Fable 5. Even I think like 5 times more expensive than Opus 4.8. But this is a lot of work. So it created the advertorial page, the gallery, the image of the product page, the image for like a live. These are image created by AI, by the way. These are like a review for Advertorial or something. Yeah, these are for Advertorial. These are all the images. So and it gave me the link back here. I could click on this link and it's going to take me to the product page. So let's just view the product page and judge it. So this is our product page. From the first glance, it's look all right. All right, the image doesn't look quite as same as our product, but this is just a typo. We could change these images. So these images were all created by Higgsfield, but the vibe, the color, I like the color. It's look very, it's look premium. So let's talk about the product page and sections. First of all, we have this review, which is give us that social proof. I like that. And then we have the title of our product, and then we have this list of benefit. I like this as well. What is this section? I don't like this. I don't understand. We are going to take that off. And then we have this like risk reversal, like free delivery, secure checkout. And then we have bundle. This if you want to increase your IOV. And then we have scarcity and urgency. And then we have the checkout. Under the checkout, we have like money badge. I like that section. I like this section here overall. I like this section. And we have text with image, and I like this floating add to cart button. Then we have another 3 benefit. The copy looks solid. Oh my goodness. And we have this like authority figures. So we have people, nutritionist, consultant talk about our product. This gives our product like more credibility because other experts talk about our product. So this is the authority I talk about. So what is this? This comparison table. I don't like this. We are going to take this off. Start on a Monday. So yeah, I like this section. Day 1, week 1, week 2. I like this. And it is built for, who is this product for? Built for people who read labels. I like this. I like, oh my goodness, look at these reviews. But there's a typo here. These images should not be in here. this is where the image taking from our customers should be here, and these images should be a profile image. There's another typo, and we are going to fix that, but not in this video. And then we have our FAQ section. This is great, very simple. Just click on that and you can read the answers. Wow, this is very great. So let's view our advertorial page and see. So this is the advertorial page. It also went back and forth, and it gave us the link back here. Click on this link and this advertorial page will open with us. So we have first a headline, why your coffee stopped working at 3 p.m. I like this headline. And I like the padding. I like the design of the page. So you can see the text is centered. So it's make it easy to read, especially if you are reading on your laptop. But a lot of people read on their phone. But also we have some people read on their laptop. And we're also targeting like workers, like people working on desk. So a lot of them read on their laptop as well. So, and then we have the author and then the date and the time you can read this article. I like this copy here. A lot of copy. We are not going to read this. These images are all AI, by the way. These images were all created by Higgsfield. You have like a matcha, like a decaf, cutting back. I like that. All of them look solid. What the hell? This image is like, this image look off. I don't like that. So here's a call to action. When I click on this, it should take me to the product page. Yes, exactly, to the product page. And then, oh my goodness, look at this. We have comments. These are all like a fake comment, by the way. This is just HTML. There's no one comment here. If you went back, you cannot comment. So people will read this and they say, and they think, this is very good. People are liking this product. And then we have our brand official replying to the customers. And the customers are also replying to each other and going back and forth. These images were all AI, AI, AI. I like this section very well. And then we have another call to action down here. There's one thing I want to call out here. So this call to action should be always static here. So when someone read these comments, they might be convinced, and then they have to scroll all the way down to find this call to action. So I want to make it floating call to action here, like in the product page. So even if someone is scrolling down, the add to cart button is always on. So I like this from one shot. It's look very good. So let's see the usage, how many credit it take. So from the usage for the product page, from my today's usage, the advertorial page, 2%, the funnel and product page, 2%, the funnel product page HTML is 1%. So this is the today, because I use another thing as well, like YouTube upload, titles, creative, creative as well. That is very uncreative, and we have like MCP. So this is the usage for today. And so yeah, this is how I operate my product page building and my e-commerce stores. So this is what we have done so far. First, we have conduct research, and then we created the product page and advertorial page. Now what else? We have a product page. No one's know about it. So we need to tell people what we have. And for that, we are going to create meta ad campaign by using this research and copy asset. I'm going to create creative with Higgsfield. That is a topic for the next video. So don't forget to come to this free school community, AIOL, and then come inside e-commerce operating system, and then you will see this ecom OS starter file. Just download this zip file and plug it into your store. And if you don't like the headache of creating your own e-commerce operating system, just come to my website, Mizan AI, book a free call, and we are going to audit your workflow, your store, and where you are leaking money. And we deploy AI agent that work on your store 24/7. So see you there, and peace.